man. Don't know this leaning though, YouTube. But this I had the second train out tonight so far. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Hey! Alright, YouTube. The engine's fun as too. No folks Southern Indian spawn is a very awesome cool track for us again. Wow. What a nice rhythm. Wow. What a very nice, awesome, cool cruise night, YouTube. YouTube. Oi, spinning the rail. Well, I have to take on this fast. Whoa. Woohoo! Man, it was spinning YouTube. Man, it's spinning along Drill Hill. Smoothly too. Wow. Wow, man. That must have been a while since I can do that fast. It's been a while since I can do that fast. Oh, it's been a while, YouTube. But hope y'all enjoy. Thank y'all for watching. Now, but look, listen, and live, and also a very safe trip, the awesome, cool trickling that train. So thank y'all for watching, YouTube. Let there go 10, 4, out.